Having a pet can be a lot of fun, but cleaning up after them can be a real chore. So luckily I got this giant robotic cat box sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. Alright, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Let's look at everything that's inside of here. We get a little card here that says what kind of litters we can use in it. It says you can use bentonite or mineral or mixed or tofu, but it says don't use long strips of tofu litter and don't use crystal litter and don't use long strips of pine litter. So pretty much no long strips or crystals. Comes with a little measuring cup there, so you know how much cat litter you're putting in there. Comes with a nice little mat here. This is pretty nice. These mats though, I think you need to put them on a box, put a box over them to get them to flatten out. So I'll go ahead and put a box on this to flatten out, or I'll just put it under the cat litter box. I could leave it under here for a couple days and then that will flatten it out. I think I got everything out of there. Here's what it looks like inside here. Looks like there's some tape in there that needs to be taken out. I'll go ahead and look in the directions and see exactly what I need to do. I got out the user's manual right here. It gives you instructions on what to do. It doesn't say anything about the tape here, but I saw this sticker right in here, and the sticker here says to please remove the tape. So I'll go ahead and pull that tape out of here. There was one more piece of tape hiding back here. So we had one on the back there and then two over here on the side. And then this other sticker here, it's got the fill lines there. It says here that you don't want the cat litter above that max line, and then when it's at the minimum line, then you can dump your litter. Go ahead and take that out of here too. So we got all the tape out of here. I guess and this tape too. All right, I think we got all the tape out of there. It also says that we got stuff in the waste drawer here. This is where the bag goes for the cat litter waste. And then here's another bag of supplies. There's 3 rolls of bags here. There's another user's manual, and there's a power cord right there. It's got one bag on here so you can see what it looks like. You just wrap the string around here, you loop it through here, and then this holds it in here. It's got these little short bags. This is what the bags look like here. They're just the little short garbage bags there with the drawstrings on them. I got the cat box up here. I set it up next to the cat scratcher for our cat. I went with the lightweight cat litter there, and I used 8 cups of this. It says here to use 8 cups. And so I got it all in there, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and then it'll do some kind of calibration here. So let's see what happens. Looks like there's a place to plug it in back here. All right, now it's starting to do its calibration there. So I'll just go ahead and let this thing do its thing, and then I'll get the app all set up on my phone, and then we'll check it out, see what it can do. You can just follow all the directions there and get your app all set up so that you can monitor everything. It looks like this time the deodorizer came on automatically there. It just automatically popped on there and it's deodorizing. It's really quiet, but I can kind of hear a little bit of a buzz over here for the deodorizer.
The deodorization uses an ion purification module.
Wow, that sounds pretty cool. I wonder if it has to be replaced. Because I was thinking it might need a filter, but I guess since it's an ion purification module, then we don't have to worry about replacing it.
It's ionization. You can child lock the front panel if your cats are too curious and decide to play with the buttons.
So yeah, it should go on automatically, but if your cat goes on here and tries to press the buttons or whatever, you can lock it so that he doesn't mess it up. Or she. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice.